Hey Plug Babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Plug by Bianca M, but you can call me Bianca. Now let's get into my favorite segment, the plug bag of the day. The plug bag of the day is our patent leather plug bag mini. This is that girl. I absolutely love this bag. Not only is brown trending, but it's so hard to find good brown patent leather. And this one right here is just so freaking good. It gives like a copper color, which I absolutely love because it's not that boring dull brown. I feel like this is just gorgeous. It comes with a long shoulder strap, of course, and we even have feet at the bottom of the bag, and I feel like that is such a special touch to the bag. I feel like it complements my outfit really well, so I decided for this to be the plug bag of the day. In today's video, I'm partnering with Quince, and I am so excited about this video. I got a chance to go on the website and pick some high quality pieces. When I say these pieces are good, I mean they are so good. It's nothing like it. Like, these are absolutely perfect. I'm so happy that I'm getting a chance to add some new things to my wardrobe. You know, those gaps I was talking about? Yeah, I'm getting a chance to fill some of those. So I'm absolutely down for that. Let's get into the video so I can show you guys what I got. So let's start off with what I'm wearing. I absolutely love this. I am here for the thumb holes. Like, it's something so unique when they do this little thing right here. I just love that so much. This here fits me so good. I'm wearing a size small. I just feel like this is like the coziest thing. So I have really been into activewear lately. And you know, when you get into activewear, you need to have like some good activewear. I mean, the stretch on here is perfect. Like I said, I'm wearing a small. Brown is not only a trending color, but it is the color, okay? Like, this looks so freaking good on me. They did not have the pants to match, so I had to kind of like do something a little different. But I'm going to show you guys that in a second. But this jacket here, I'm going to take everything below. This is so good. The quality is so good. And even on the back of it, it's like a little sheer detail. And I feel like that is so good and so girly. And I'm so here for this. Like, I absolutely love this jacket. So like I was saying before, they did not have the pants in my size at this time, but I just still needed this jacket. I was like, you know what? I might have to come back for the pants later because it was just something about this brown jacket that just caught my attention. But I did decide to get another activewear set, and it is in red with brown, and I just feel like it's so good. I'm so happy I get to do this in real time with y'all. So this here is the sports bra. I like my sports bras kind of plain. Like, I don't like a bunch of stuff on them, and I really like this one. The stretch on here is really good. They have a band in the inside, which I absolutely love because it helps to keep the girls in place. And I just feel like this is good. And I absolutely love this color. It's just so good. It's so good for like fall, winter. Like, this is the color like to have. Also, I went with the leggings. I like to do long leggings. I don't like the little short ones too much. I'm already short. I feel like they kind of make me look stumpy and make me look a little shorter. So I don't never like really want those. But I really love this. I feel like the band on here is so good. I love a good band with stretch. This has a lot of stretch, but it also feels like it holds you in as well, which I absolutely love that. And like I said, these are very long. And this here is red with brown. I feel like they're very affordable for the price. Oh my goodness, the quality is 10 out of 10. So good. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to look so cute when I wear and style this. Let's get into the next piece. Okay, so for our next piece, I absolutely love this. You guys know burgundy is the color, okay? First of all, this is so soft. It's not like big and bulky. This is a crew neck sweater. I absolutely love this. This here is Mongolian cashmere. When I say affordable, I mean very affordable. $50. You're never getting cashmere anywhere for $50. Like, it just don't work like that. That's not the way the cashmere work. Like, $50. It's so good. Like I said, it's so like nice and thin. Like, it's not too heavy, but you can feel that it's not itchy material because I hate the sweaters that's itchy material. Like them grandpa sweaters that just make you itch. Can't stand them. Absolutely love this. As we know, burgundy is that girl. Like, that's what's going on right now. Everybody's wearing burgundy, and I cannot wait to style this because I have something so good in mind. I think I'm going to do a layered look. I want to tell you all my ideas, but I think I'm going to do a layered look for this. I absolutely love this, and I did go with a size small. I already tried this on because I was so pressed and thirsty, but this is good. The material is good. Like I said, the stretch is good, And this here is a crew neck. And I also love that the crew neck is a real crew neck. It's not like droopy, because you know how sweaters can get very droopy. This almost is like a regular like t-shirt type of crew neck. So I absolutely love that. And it will be tagged below. Y'all, this is so good. You guys know we deserve basics. We need them. We need them to like go with the rest of the outfits. I felt like this here was such a good basic. One thing about Quince, they have amazing basic pieces. Like if you want to get down and like really like prepare like a really good capsule wardrobe, you want a starting point, I would say Quince. For one, the material is so good. Like everything washes well. Y'all know this is not my first rodeo with Quince. Like I have more pieces. Everything is so good. Like the quality is amazing. Usually I would have went for a white shirt. When you think of basics, you think of white, you think of black, but brown has been calling the girl. Brown has been calling me. Now, I'm not going to say I won't go back and get the black and the white, because I'm sure that I will. But I needed a brown long sleeve top. Now, of course, I love the one that I'm wearing. This one here, I said, well, this is more sort of a jacket. But this one here is in the color espresso. This here is cocoa. So, I'm so here for it. I could see this now with like a cute pair of jeans, a cute bag, some glasses, a blazer. Like, yes, absolutely yes. When you just don't want to do too much, you just want to like, you know, just look chill and relax. Quince got the pieces. This here is a size small. This is my normal size. And the stretch is so good. It's long sleeve, and it's also long waist though. It will cover your stomach too, because you know how sometimes they have like the kind of crappy ones. This one here will cover you completely up. So I love this one. And I'm so happy that I'm with brown. I'm so here for this. So when I first saw this, I was just thinking like, you know what? We can do a long sleeve shirt underneath of this. We can do it with a blazer. We can do it with a sweater over top. It's so many ways to do this. This is like a polo style sweater. Of course, you guys see that it's sleeveless, but I just had to have this. And I'm gonna tell you how bad I had to have this, because this is a size large. Usually I'm wearing a small or medium, but I needed this. I wanted this. And then I felt like, even though it was a large, I feel like I could still make it work, because it's sleeveless, I can do so much with it. Underneath or on top. Like we can layer this and it will look so good. The stretch is there. The stretch is so good. The color is good. I've been loving gray. Like look at the stretch. The stretch is amazing. I love how the collar just stays. It don't lose its shape. Like I absolutely love that. Like I said, this right here was a need. I was going to try to like sit it out, wait a little bit. Like, okay, I'm going to wait. I'm not going to, I'm going to wait until it like come in like my regular size. But I was like, nope, need it. I deserve it. And I feel like with some gray pants, oh my God, this would look so good. Or like some cargos. I love that you can dress this up or down. Quince knows how to do a basic. I promise you, Quince knows how to do a basic. So this here is Heather Gray, and I just feel like this is so good. Even if you want to just leave like the top open and like layer some necklaces really cute, it just works. Had to have it. This need to go in my cart. And when I say the prices are amazing, everything will be linked below. Back to the basics. So this one here is like a crop type of jam, okay? I absolutely love this. I decided to go for a size medium in this because I have like a specific way that I want to wear it, at least for the first look. After the first look, I'll find a new look. But I really had a way that I kind of like want to wear this. Like even if I want to wear this as like a vest type of look where you can put like something long sleeve underneath, I feel like this would be really, really cute. I wanted to go with another gray because I didn't want to wear the other shirt out too much, but I wanted it to be something that was plain because we had the buttons on the other one. So this one here, I feel like it's such a good fit. I feel like this stretch is amazing. That quality is honestly top tier. If you're on the channel and you're watching and you have shopped Quince before, just drop me a comment. Quince has some amazing, amazing pieces. I cannot wait to style them. But like I was saying, for anybody that has Quince pieces, anything from Quince, then you know the quality is there. It's there for an affordable price too. Like definitely there. And I feel like this is a 10 out of 10. Like every piece is literally a 10 out of 10. Like it's so good. I needed trousers. I needed new ones. So I have I got a few pair. That I like. I have a few pair that I was a little tired of wearing. So I'm like, you know what? Let me get some new ones. These here did not miss. I absolutely love these. So the only thing about these, I thought that they would be like a really dark black, but they are kind of giving like a ashy type black, which I feel like that was definitely their aim. I just didn't notice it when I was ordering, but I still, nevertheless, I love the fit. I love the length. I feel like they're long enough for me. They don't drag the ground like my usual pants. So that's a little different, but they do still at least touch my shoes. So I do like that. I'm going to have to style these so that you guys can see them. And I love that they're plain because we're back to the basic. You can dress a basic up so freaking good. And I like them so much that, of course, I had to get them in another color. Because one thing about me, when I like something, the fit is good, the look is good, I just need another color. I just need another color. And I feel like this right here goes with everything. It goes with so many different shades of brown. This here goes with so many different shades of black. They go good with sweaters. Trousers go with everything. They go with so much. So I did decide to go for a size 8 because I want them to be a little roomy. Usually my normal size is like a size 6, but I really wanted like that baggy fit. I honestly was even looking at the men's trousers. The men's got some good trousers over there on Quince too. So if you're a guy and you happen to stumble past this channel, Quince got some good man pieces. Like I might have to get my husband something. Like they have some really, really good pieces over there, okay? I absolutely love these. These are so good. They're so long. I'm sorry that they're wrinkled. I had them in the bag and I kind of popped them out. But they won't be wrinkled when I try them on. But I absolutely love these. And I feel like these are always such a good color to start off with. Like black and like nude or tan is always a good color to start with. So we didn't miss. I absolutely love these. And I cannot wait to style them for you guys. I'm not going to say not one word. For the first 3 seconds, I'm not going to say nothing. Because y'all got to see it. Obsessed. So I actually had this in my cart for a while, right? I had it in my cart for a while. And it sold out. And I was so upset. I was like, oh my God, that's what I really wanted. It's gone. Now I don't even want to place the rest of my order, right? I'm like, I want to wait. Do y'all know it popped back up? When it popped back up, I was like, okay, it's time to get my cart together right now because I cannot miss this sweater. I needed this. Day one. Do you know how hard it is to find black and white sweaters that's good quality, that looks good, that can do the work for your basic pieces? I needed this. This is so good. This is so good. So it's kind of like cropped, but not to show your stomach cropped. And I feel like that is like a 10 out of 10. I love how it has like the long sleeves, and I love this tightness at the bottom of the sleeve. It's so good. I'm obsessed with this collar detail. It just gives so much of like, you can do so much with it. You can do so much with this sweater. I feel like the price point was so perfect for this. And I needed something with some good stripes, like big stripes. Absolutely love this so much. I know I'm covering my face, but oh my God, it's so big. It's so nice and heavy. Like, I love how heavy it is. This is only a small. The fit is so good. Some pieces you just gotta try them on. You gotta try them on as soon as they come, and this was one. I had to try this on. I absolutely fell in love with this. I cannot wait to style this for you guys. When I say if you need like a good sweater that can take you like through seasons and seasons, this is something that's not gonna go out of style. Like this here can be worn for seasons and seasons. And also, this can be worn with plaid. You ain't know I was going to do that. Y'all didn't know I was going to say that. But this can be worn with plaid and really, really cute. So, I cannot wait to style these pieces. I'm obsessed. Like, I'm so happy. Like, I really needed new sweaters. Like, I need some new sweaters. So, I'm so happy about this. Quince, y'all is all right with me. So, this one here is actually the last sweater. I'm a little sad because I'm not really ready for this to be over. But this here is so good. First of all, green has been really like doing a little thing lately. I'm telling you, like, I love like this boxy fit because it's nothing like the rest of the sweaters. Like, it's nothing like anything else that we got from Quince. I love this boxy fit sweater. I could see this with like some balloon jeans. Oh my goodness, like a cute like sheer turtleneck. This is it. This is very heavy. When I say the quality is there, I mean it. It's there, okay? It's there. If you need something to look like really cozy, going to like a pumpkin patch or just having like a nice like cozy night where you need like something a little heavy on, but stylish, this is it. This is your girl. I absolutely love this. I love how thick the material is. Like, this not your regular knit. This ain't just this ain't no just thrown together knit. This here is very thick. It's very warm. I cannot wait to style this. I was looking at this in other colors too. And when I got this, I actually said, like, dag, I think I should have got another one of these. So the next time I get on Quince, I'm going to have to get this in another color. Don't be surprised. I already told y'all. I told y'all what I'm going to do. It's heavy. It's so nice. And it will be linked below. Everything will be linked below. This is so good. I can't wait to style these pieces. Like, I'm so excited. Last but not least, I had to get it. So they have really, really, really nice perfumes, okay? I always be looking at the perfumes and I'd be like, no, I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna get some clothes. I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna get some clothes. You can't smell the perfume, of course, through the screen. But when I saw that this had cherry blossom around it, I was like, I already know the type of fragrances that I love. I cannot pronounce the name of this without butchering it. So I'm going to let y'all do it. But how cute is the bottle? First of all, the box is cute. But how cute is the bottle? This here is so good. I love that it's like just a small little mini one too. And this smells better than I thought. So I thought I was going to get like a little hint of like floral more. But it's like more so of a... You know how like every time you smell it, it smells a little different, like you can smell something else? I actually do smell more floral than I did the first time I smelled it. It just smells so good. It smells so soft. It's not overpowering, but it's not like you can't smell it at all. Absolutely love that. So I'm not sure of the longevity of how long it will actually last when you put it on. And y'all know I like to smell good all day. So I'll have to come back with those updates. But I know how to put a little Vaseline in the places where you need to be. Then spray so that we can, go on for longevity. One thing, you gotta know the tricks. This perfume is so cute. It's so cute. I cannot wait to put it with the rest of my perfumes. And when I say... absolutely. It smells so good. Yes. It's definitely cherry blossom. Whatever other notes is in here, I'm not sure, but it's definitely cherry blossom. I'm so happy that I got this. You know what? I might have to go back. One thing about me, when I like something, I always need like 2 or 3. So do not be surprised, guys. If I go back and get this same one again, I will have it linked below, and it was only $50. $50. This is good. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I enjoyed showing you guys the super cute pieces that I got from Quince. Thank you again so much to Quince for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love working with you guys. The pieces are tea. When I say they up there, they up there. The price is amazing, affordable. We got this. Let's get some new pieces in our capsule wardrobe. Everything will be tagged below. If you've reached this part of the video, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I would love for you to be a part of the Plug Babes. See you.